Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Sorry for the clickbaity thumbnail. No, there's not an actual lightsaber in here, but holy cow, is it close. There's a really powerful flashlight in this package, and I can't wait to unbox it. This flashlight is currently available. I will invite you to use my link right down below. The gentleman that I picked this up from is exceptional. The people who have used my links before and dealt with him have all said the same thing. This guy ships quickly to the United States, which is, you know, the vast majority of my viewers are from the United States. And a lot of the flashlights that I show on this channel are really high powered, and they can be, you know, they can take a while to get to you, right? Because they're coming from overseas. So this guy does a great job. I think I got this in 6 days, which is pretty incredible because we're coming up on Christmas. Thank you very much. Also, just so everybody knows, right, if you clicked on this video and you're looking for flashlight stuff, like comprehensive flashlight stuff, I'm primarily a knife YouTube channel. That's my area of expertise. I'm getting into flashlights. I own a bunch of really cool ones, but I'm not a pro. I'm a noob when it comes to flashlights, and I really just enjoy sharing this stuff. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. You can check out my Patreon via the link down in the description, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, enough with the intro. Let's get into this. I'm pretty excited about this. All right, so there's the first layer. We have another layer here. Let's go ahead and carve through that real quick. People always ask about the scalpel. The scalpel was handmade for me by a viewer. So that's, unfortunately, it's not something that I can link to you guys. Okay, so there's a box here and then another. Oh, neat. He sent me a little, is this a little, oh, neat. It's just, he sent an extra gift. This is not actually the main thing here, but that was really cool. Oh, neat. That's cool. I'll have fun playing with that. Very nice. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. So this is the Fireflies. Actually, I remember seeing something else on YouTube. How there's like Fireflies, and then they changed the name to Firelight. I don't know. But what this is, there's the dealer right there. But like I said, I'll link him right down below. But there's the information. This is a Fireflies EO7, and it is is this a special edition? Good lord, this thing is huge. It actually looks like a lightsaber. Wow, this is cool. So they have many different versions of this light out there. This is all titanium. They have ones that are titanium and copper. They have ones that are all copper. They have aluminum ones that cost a lot less. These come in between I think about 200 or so, and then the less expensive ones I think come in at 60 to 70, but they're all the same power. These are capable of producing 6,900 lumens. For anybody who's not familiar with flashlights, that is a dangerous level of lumens, actually. And with lights like this, it is possible to accidentally set things on fire, so be careful with stuff like this. Let's make sure. I think we just need to screw that in just a little bit. Yeah, and then we have, oh, cool. Okay, so this illuminates blue, and so do the buttons. They also, periodically, you can find them with purple LEDs. These are auxiliary LEDs that run while the light is off. Wow. Oh my gosh! That is wild, man. So this runs on the, I'm going to turn that down a little bit. This runs on the Onduril, right, user interface. I believe, am I right in thinking that? Let's try. I remember a couple of things. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. Now we're in the, now we're in the lockout mode, right? And let's try 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very cool. Okay, I think I've got that. Are they blinking now? No. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now they're on. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and shut the lights off real quick. Yeah, very cool. I love that. I think that's beautiful. I love auxiliary lights. And I love the fact that they illuminate on the button. Oh, man. So these have a ton of modes. They have like this isn't a comprehensive review. If I do a comprehensive review, this is just an unboxing. First time I've handled it, first time I played with it. Well, it does run on Onduril. It does have a couple of different modes versus some of my other titanium lights like the Noctagon KR4 and the MSR D4V2, right? These have multiple auxiliary lights, and the modes, the way that you cycle through it is a little bit different, so I'm going to have to learn about this. But it does have get it out of lockout mode, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So then you have on, and then you hold it down, and it ramps up. Oh my God, that is so bright. Holy cow. Holding it down ramps down. They also have different strobe modes. They have, of course, the candle light and the thunderstorm, right? They've got the party strobe. Whole bunch of stuff. They're programmable. You have different ways to, gauge the temperature. There's a whole bunch of stuff. I actually really like the Onduril user interface. We have the Lumentop FW3T titanium, Noctagon KR4, MSR D4V2. All these lights all have the same user interface, and I really like them. I'm learning more and more about flashlights. This kind of stuff is interesting to me, but like I said, I'm still a novice. I'm nowhere near as confident as I am with folding knives, right? So you can get all of these different models at that store that I'm going to link down below. Whether or not they're available in the configurations you're seeing here, I don't know. They come and go, so you can check. He's got a lot of stuff. I was attracted to this one because it was big and it was titanium. This is definitely, I know there are more powerful flashlights out there. I mean, you can get lights now like, there are lights that produce 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 lumens that are bigger, used for different things, right? You have the spot beam and the whatever. There's a bunch of stuff out there, right? But for this size of light, I think 6,900 lumens is pretty amazing. I was really impressed with that. Do I need this in my day-to-day life? No, not at all. There's very few people who need this much. I picked this up because I think it's interesting, right? I don't need most of the folding knives I have either, but this kind of stuff is just really, really cool to me, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Boy, what else can I say here? I think this is neat. It is definitely big. It is definitely bulky. I think this is about the same size for those of you who know your flashlights. The D4S V2 is fatter, but I think maybe just slightly shorter than this guy. Titanium, as far as I understand, is actually not the best material for a flashlight. I know that my love for titanium comes from my love for titanium on folding knives, but I think, if I remember correctly, titanium actually heats up pretty quick, which is not a great thing on a light that's capable of producing this type of power. So knives that have copper here are a little bit better, or especially I think the aluminum ones, right? I've got an aluminum D4V2, and this thing doesn't seem to heat up quite as quick as the titanium one. So as far as function goes, flashlight guys, you can correct me if I'm wrong, that's fine. I'm sure I am wrong about many things in this video. The aluminum ones, not only do they cost less and produce the same amount of light, I think that, in terms of just your experience overall, if you're going to use it the way it was intended to be used, I think that's probably the way to go. The whole titanium thing just appeals to enthusiasts like me, or people like me who just don't really know a whole lot, right? But I like how titanium looks. This is crazy. It seriously looks like a lightsaber. Man, that is awesome. All right, guys, I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, if I decide to do a full review on this, it'll be down the road a ways. It'll be much more comprehensive, have much more, detailed information, stuff like that. We'll see. But anyways, I think that's going to be pretty much it. Like I said, check out my link down in the description if you want to pick this light up or a variant of it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives and gear that's either expensive or inexpensive, so check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.